Hey, it's another little Wayne bite, just a little taste of this and that, and this is Modernism Week in Palm Springs, celebrating the best of modernist architecture in the desert. Part of Modernism Week includes the signature home tour, and here are the four homes that we had the pleasure of exploring. This is the Edgerton Residence. Built in 1953, the architects of record were Heusel and Fickett, but most people credit Ed Fickett as the primary. This home has remained with the same family for four generations. There have definitely been some changes over the years, but they've all been very sensitive to the original 1950s style. I absolutely love this house. And the casita or guest wing is just awesome with the twin beds and the Jack and Jill bathroom. And the outdoor bar is just a classic. The space is just wonderful. This is the Dunes, built in 1964, and the original architect is unknown. But it was remodeled in 2008, expanded, opened up, and ceilings were raised to bring in even more light. I love the outdoor spaces here. The bar, the pool, the seating area, even the water feature are all beautifully designed. I could live here too. This is the Silverman Residence. Built in 1949, the architects were Clark and Frey. Starting as a modest ranch style home, it is now a 3,000 square foot expanse on a very desirable south facing lot. The spaces are bright and beautifully appointed, and renovations have put a huge focus on outdoor living with some really special spaces for dining, lounging, conversation, and just enjoying the views. This is really an awesome space, too. It's so relaxing out here. And I love this water feature, too. This stone fronted home is the Wentworth residence. Built in 1965, the architect was Donald Wexler and still includes the original fireplace. The home overall is in substantial original condition, and sitting on the seventh tee of a golf course, it has fairway and mountain views, and I do love the subtle touches by the homeowner. The pool here is original too. So that's just a glimpse of Modernism Week in Palm Springs. Pretty cool, huh? There's so much more to see, from bus tours to walking tours to lectures. Check it out next year for yourself. You won't be disappointed.